Today I'm going to show you how to easily add a pocket to the inside of any jacket to take it from this to this without sewing, so let's get started. Begin by laying your jacket out on a flat surface and measuring how big you want your pocket to be. And make sure to give yourself an inch of seam allowance on all 4 sides. Next, cut out your pocket. I use this thicker canvas fabric so it'd be sturdier and it blends in nicely with the inside lining of the jacket. Once you've cut out your pocket, cut off any loose strands. Now fold the rough edges in, pin them to stay in place, then iron them down. Once that is done, grab your speedsew fabric glue and start gluing the rough edge that will be the opening of the pocket and let that dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. While the opening is drying, you can grab your jacket again and lay it out on a flat surface. Make sure that the rough edge that you just glued is at the top, and now you can apply glue to the remaining 3 sides. Place the pocket down where you want it, apply pressure, and let that dry for about 20 minutes. And just like that, you added a pocket to your jacket without sewing it using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!